today is a regional exercise. It's for the entire CFIX region, so Central Florida Intelligence Exchange, and every player from emergency management, public safety, meaning law enforcement, public information, and cybersecurity or information technology is here to play.
What a tabletop exercise is an opportunity for an entity to go through their emergency disaster recovery plans, their business continuity plans, and ensure that their documentations, their steps, and their procedures in events of emergencies, cyber attacks, that their plans actually do work.
It's important because it teaches everyone regional collaboration and communication. We're hoping they walk away with networking. Right? They need to know the people that they need to talk to. Cyber and critical infrastructure that relates to information technology is very new. A lot of people don't really know how to react to that in an emergency management setting. We want them to start getting in contact with the right people so that if and when this does happen, they know who to call and what steps they have to take.
So this is a wonderful opportunity as IT professionals to observe how the government operates, but also lend our knowledge as well and help service the community.
Anyone that has anything to deal with information that needs to be turned into verified data, CFIX is the central point. They can do a lot. They're kind of the unsung heroes between a lot of the major disasters that happen in Central Florida.